Students who are in the online, am I audible? Yes. Those who says good evening, I am also saying good evening. Okay. Now students will start. What was our last class concept? Hmm. Red t-shirt, stand up. Last. What is the last class concept? Huh? Huh? Absent. If you go to interview tomorrow, if they ask this concept, what you will say? Absent. Bus late, like that. Next. What was our last class concept? Absent. Next. Nobody is there. Just front side student. Stand up. Front. Anybody? Logical operator. Next. How many relational operators? Sit down. How many relational operators? Next student. No problem, huh? Sit down. Last two students, sit down. How many relational operators? Seven. Seven. Seven relational operators, huh? Six, ah? Six or seven, ah? Sit down. Now carefully follow. Last class I started with logical operators. So let me move to the further. Very, very important. Go to the location. 6 p.m. Operators here. There I will go to logical operators here. Come in. So both of you are coming daily late. Today is the last working day. Tomorrow, if you come like that, you will be out of the class. Because one day, if don't say, daily will come late. So with my own hands, I am making you spoil. One day, if I say strict warning, next day you will set right. Otherwise, garbage collector will collect away. Tomorrow you have to come early. Now, what is the use of logical operators? Start with, already said, the purpose of logical operators is that to combine two or more relational expressions. If two or more relational expressions connected with logical operators, then it is called logical expression. The result of logical expression is either true or false. The logical expression is also called compound test condition, and whose result is either true or false. That is bool type. In Python programming, we have three types of logical operators. They are given in the following table. So we are discussing about the first operator, AND operator. How AND operator starts working. That is our topic. To understand the functionality of AND operator, we have to understand one small table we need to understand. Table that we call in computer science, truth table we can call. So the functionality of, first I'll write the syntax student, syntax. What are the syntax now? Relational expression 1 and relational expression 2. Relational expression 1 and relational expression 2. That means here you see the purpose of logical operators is that to combine two or more relational expressions. Relational expression 1 combined with relational expression 2. Then I will explain the functionality of relational, the functionality of AND operator. AND operator is described in the following truth table. Described in the following truth table. Following truth table. Following truth table. So I'm going to give you, even in 10th class level, 9th class level, you will come across these truth tables, right? So what is this truth table? I'm just writing functionality table. That's all. So here, what is the functionality table? I'm just explaining. Try to follow me carefully. So that I'm writing something like this. What is the truth table? You just follow me. What is your relational expression 1? Relational expression 1. And there I'm taking relational expression 2. There I'm taking relational expression 1 and what? Relational expression 2. This is what I'm going to take up. This is what I am going to take up. Here I am going to take up. There I am writing something like this. Here, what is the result of relational expression 1? The possibilities of relational expression 1 results are what generally yesterday said, either a true or false. Here also, true or false. So how many combinations I can prepare? Four. Four combinations I can prepare. True, true, one combination. False, false, one combination. False, true, one combination. True, false, one more combination. These many combinations we can go for it. So tell me here, I'm writing true and then false combination. And next is called a false and what? True combination. And the next is called what? False and a false combination. And next is called what? A true and a true combination. This answer anybody can say. Here, even 1 lakh rank is coming, he will also say this answer. But my question is not to tell about that. My thing is to have a beautiful questioning. For that purpose, I am explaining everything. What is this operator now? And operator, I am talking about it. What is that and says? Both of them satisfied. Both left and right satisfies. Left result and right result, both of them are true. Result is true. So somebody is saying, Avesh is saying, see, these are all called old knowledge. These are all called old knowledge. 0, 1, ఇలా చెప్పేస్తారు మీ కాలేజీలో 1 0 0 1 1 0 0 0 and what 1 1 like that they will tell. It is called a total blunder. It is a blunder. Sir, how? That's what you have to attend my class. That is what you have to attend my class. So here I am talking about bitwise AND operator, and unsituationally these answers will come. Of course, maybe Avinash is saying for false 0 and true 1, maybe saying, but I am in the context of what? I am in the context of what? This case. So here in that context, if you try to say, if anybody is saying like that, anybody is saying in the AND operator like that, it is called a blunder. Blunder. And somebody says, here somebody says, sir, in ECE, we have like this. This is what I don't like it. Somebody said this answer and rubbing on my head. This is also called most blunder this is. So, most blunder this is. Why I am saying? Because here I am showing you everything practically. మీరు ఈసీనా మెకానికలా ట్రిపుల్ ఈనా ఎక్సా వైయా జెడ్డా దట్ ఐఎమ్ నాట్ వరీయింగ్ అబౌట్ ఇట్. ఐఎమ్ వరీయింగ్ అబౌట్ ప్రాక్టికల్ నాలెడ్జ్. అండ్ ECE, CSE, wherever AND operator is coming, whatever I am saying, that is applicable. That's all. If the faculty is rubbing something on your brain, if you believe that, you are the most unlucky student. You habituate one thing. If anybody says something, don't believe them. You say, show me the proof. And for everything you don't ask, sun rises in east, don't ask where is that. Your career related I am talking about. Okay, Hemnath Sai. Right. So coming to the point of it, I'll explain. I said blunder now. You also learn like this only. And you have to justify it or not. I have to show this. So now I'm going to explain this. Now don't disturb me. Let me go to the functionality now. Let us go to the explanation now. What is this says here? What is this relational expression 1 and relational expression 2? What is this is going to be? If both the results are true, the result is true. If any one of the result is false, result is going to be false. Come on, first entry, quickly. Next entry, next entry. True. Who is that? Very good. Who is that? Good. Really good. False, false, true. Somebody said. I heard like that. Ranga. Maybe I heard wrong. False, false, false. True, true, true. Somebody will say, even my sir also said like that. He said it is called a product rule. Product rule. product. Say once. Product rule. Multiplication rule. Your sir also said, I think so. But when our sir said, I also believed that it is a product rule. After entering into the real industry, when we thought of product rule, it will become problem. They said it is a 1, it is 0. 1 into 0 is 0. 0 into 0 is 0 into 1 is 0. 0 into 0 is 0. 1 into 1 is called 1. Like that they will tell. But at that time he felt, my sir is a god. He said like this, you said. But that is completely blunder. And I'm not saying somebody else. I'm just saying the practical knowledge. Let us go to the point. And don't call it as what? 1 into 0, 2 into 0, 1 into 1. That type of explanation, don't give it. Because I'm showing practical in the class. Okay. Come to example number 1, I'm going to talk. Example number 1. Example number 1 you call. So, in this case, example number 1, I'm going to say. Here I'm going to take it. I'll go to this environment. I'll go to this environment. Here, go to this environment. Here I'm saying, carefully try to follow. True and what? False. What is the answer? False. Next is called what? False and what? True. What is that? False. Next is called what? Of course. False and what? False. What is the answer? So next to true and true is what? True. Okay now? Right. Go to that. I'll take it as this. What we learned it, I'm showing here. I'm showing here. No product rule, no subtraction rule, no summing rule, etc. Somebody will say, you listen it. If they show practically, you implement it. If they say just blackboard white chalk piece, forget immediately. Now I'm going to introduce the second example. This is example 1, basic example. I'm talking about example 2. Example 2 I'm talking. Look at that. Now I'm talking about it. Are you following? Right. So in today morning, 11 o'clock, one more new incident happens. All challenges, these are all called. I'll tell you at the end of the class, I'll tell you. 7:30, 7:40, I will tell you. One faculty came today, having 18 years of experience from one college. And okay, that I'll tell you at 7:45 because I need to concentrate here. Not necessary because subject freshly important. So this is the one. Next, I'm going to take up example 2. Take care, students. Here I'm taking, carefully follow 10 greater than 2, 10 greater than 2, and what? 20 greater than what? 4. 20, 10 greater than 2, and 20 greater than 4. 10 greater than 2 is what? True. And 20 greater than 4 is what? True. What is an operator? And what is an answer now? True. Okay. So done. This already you know, and nothing is there in my class. Why you are supposed to learn in this class? Some special concept is there. For that, I want to tell you. Okay. 100 greater than 200. And what? 200 greater than 100. What is the answer? False. First one is what? False. Second one is what? True. False and true. Good. False. Next step. 20 greater than 30 and 30 greater than 10 and 40 greater than 20. Come on. First one is what? False. Second one is, come on. What is this happens here? False. Correct or not? This is false. This is true. False and true is called false. False and true is also called what? False. So total result is called what? False. Able to follow? Okay, good. Now be careful, ma. 100 greater than 20 and 20 greater than 30 and 30 greater than what? 50. 30 greater than 10. What is the answer? False. Good. Here, some special point I would like to tell you, students. Please look into that very carefully. See, here, this is called what? True. This is called what here? False. This is also called what? false. This is also called what? False. Here, I'm telling one small beautiful concept here, which is the most important, which will enhance your skills in the coding. That part is something like this. See, ma, first one you concentrate on this. 10 greater than 2, true. So when first one is true, definitely PVM will go to second expression compulsory. Second one is also called what? True. So that total result is called what? True. So when you are saying something true, the PVM will evaluate both the expressions. Both of them are true, then result is called what? True. So what I said, you will understand with the second one. You just concentrate on second one. What is the first one? False. When first one is false, PVM will not go to the second one. PVM will not go to the second one. Why? When first one is false, when second one is true or false, it doesn't make any difference. Why? With the first one false combination, if second one combination either true or false, result is going to be what only? So when first one is false, will it go to second? No. That means simply when first one is false, simply it is giving the total result as what? That is known as what? Short circuit evaluation. Short circuit evaluation. Spell out once. Short circuit evaluation we can call. What do you mean by short circuit evaluation? This is called what? This is evaluating true. When first one is true, compulsory PVM will go to where? Second one. Why? When first one is true, it cannot decide immediately result is true. It cannot decide. Why? When second one become false, result is becoming false or not. That's why when first one is true, compulsory it will go to the second. Second one is also true. That means total expression is evaluated. This is known as what you know, full length evaluation we can call. Full length evaluation we can call. Are you able to get students? Okay. Next also you observe to get the more command over the subject. Come on, ma here. Start here. Start. 20 greater than 30. False. When it is false, will it go to second and third? When the second one true and true, for example, total combination is also what? False. When second one is false, true, true, false, true, whatever it is, false into anything is going to be false only. So this is also called what? Short circuit evaluation. You got it, huh? Good, good. C language also, short circuit evaluation will follow. Java also will follow. C++ also will follow. Every language will follow short circuit evaluation. Short circuit evaluation is developed by what? MC Korti. MC Korti. So, is a scientist. He developed it for making fast evaluation. This concept is implemented in processors for fast evaluation purposes. Understood this important? Yes. So something like what? When I come to your college, when I come to your college, first roll number one is a first ranker. First ranker in a sense, according to admission procedure, if they prepare. When first ranker not answering any question, I will take out my bag and go to home. Why? It's a waste of time to interview the other students. Short circuit evaluation. Are you following me? So go to the next point and don't tell that example. You say this example. Come on. 10, 100 greater than 20. Come on. True. Will it go to second? Yes, compulsory it will go to second. Second one is what? False. False means will it go to third, fourth, fifth? No. What is this is also called? Short circuit evaluation. Short circuit evaluation. Clear or not clear? Clear. Go to the next, last and final. 10 greater than 2 and 3 greater than 2 and 2 greater than 1 and 10 greater than 8. What is the first one? Compulsory go to second also. Compulsory go to third. Third also. Compulsory go to. Why compulsory need to go to when last one is called false? Total result is changing. That's why it is going to be true. It is known as full length evaluation or not. What is the total result now? True. So I will go to this true. So here I would like to give you This is comes under what, ma? Full length evaluation. Now somebody will ask you tomorrow, what is a short circuit evaluation? Did you understand the short circuit evaluation? Online students, did you understand short circuit evaluation? Right, Seema. So I'm getting your messages, ma. Right, good. So you are interacting, nice. So here, this is known as what? Short circuit evaluation. So what is the definition of short circuit evaluation? If somebody asks you an interview point of view, how do you define short circuit evaluation? Tell me. Short circuit evaluation. In the case of what operator? And operator. And operator. What is short circuit evaluation? That is called short circuit evaluation. Madhu Babalu. Come on. Now I am writing this short circuit evaluation. Now I am writing. Carefully follow how to define. See, once you listen the class, you have to prepare the definition by yourself. You are watching now. Practically, you are watching or not. Should have the capacity to prepare the answers by yourself. You just watch it and understanding, unable to express. There is one-way traffic only. You have to give two-way traffic. That is what you are attending the classes, kada? Right or not? Tell me, what is the short circuit evaluation? Now I am writing. When, or I can say if and operator connected with two or more relational expressions, try to understand relational expressions, nothing but what? Logical expression. Nothing but what here? Logical expression. I am writing if two or more relational expressions connected with and operator, if and operator connected with two or more relational expressions, and if the result of first or result of not only first initial relational expression is false. See, if it is false, then only it is not going to next. If it is false, it is not going to next. If it is false, it is not going to next. If the initial relational expression is false, then PVM will not evaluate you will not evaluate subsequent relational expressions, will not evaluate subsequent relational expressions, and the result of entire entire what? Logical expression. Result of entire logical expression is considered as good. Is considered as false. Is considered as false. This process of evaluation is called short circuit evaluation. Short circuit evaluation. I hope it is clear up. Right. So students in online, and this is more clear, I think so. If two or more relational expressions connected with what? And operator. If the initial relational expression is what? False. PVM will not evaluate the rest of the subsequent relational expression. And the result of the entire relational expression, that is called what? Logical expression, is considered as what? False. This process of evaluation is called short circuit evaluation. Clear or not clear? What is an advantage of a short circuit evaluation? High performance. It will become speed up. It will give very much fast in evaluation of the expressions. For that, we go for what here? Short circuit evaluation. In all the languages, this concept is applicable. Understood? This is about which operator? And operator. There are most important special points are there. That is what I am going to explain. Now I am ready to ask you I am ready to ask you special points. This is what most special points, MNCs will ask. MNCs will ask. Ajar, sir, your voice sometimes getting off. Online students, is my voice is any having any breaks in the middle? Is my voice is having any breaks? No, 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 no. Ajar, my dear student, you please re-log in. So no breaks, no breaks. So everything is clear. Ajar, you take care, ma. Now I'll go to. I'm ready to go for what? Special points. This is for this only I'm explaining. I don't ask this type of questions. My questions yesterday I asked them. India, INDA, this, that type of questions. And mind blowing. Compulsory you will not answer. 100%. 18 years faculty only not answering. Daily going to the college, engineering college, not answering. Then you can imagine. And you don't say, sorry, if they are teaching like that, then what we can do? That is, you get top number 1000 rank, you get it. You will get it in big universities. Correct? And you don't say, sir, beginning onwards, we found that type of teachers only. You don't compromise like that. Anyhow, students, come to the point. Whatever is happened, happened. In my class, learn Python very well. Go to what next? Which operator? What operator? OR operator. Now I'm going to have the OR operator now. I'm going to introduce special points, waiting for it. Some suspense is carried. Now I'm going to talk about which operator? OR operator. OR operator. So listen carefully. You will answer. And don't think that Sar said that nobody can answer it. So not like that. You will answer when you carefully monitor it. That's why I'm giving you first example, second example, like that I'm giving. Okay now? Okay. OR operator, I'm going to take it. Syntax, OR operator. Syntax I'm going to give you. What is this now? Relational expression 1 or relational expression 2. Relational expression 1 or relational expression 2. What is this OR says? Either one of these relational expressions are true, total result is true. If both of them are false, result is false. So come to the point back. Here I'm going to write it. Whatever is written, I'll carry. I'll carry. Here I'm writing the functionality of what operator? OR operator. The functionality of OR operator is described in the following table. So here I always says OR and I will take out this and I'm going to take description now. So already I said the formula. What OR operator says? Either one of it is true, result is true. Any one of it is false, result is false. Tell me, come on, speak out. Answer, true, true, true. Next, false, true. Come on, true. Next, false, false. True or true, true. Good. Some people will try to say this is a sum rule, some addition rule they will say. What is the addition rule? What is the value of true? 1. 1 plus 0, 1. False, 0 plus 1, 1. 0 plus 0, true 1 plus 1, 1 plus 1, 2, 1, 2. 2 is what? 2 is what? 2 is into. Okay, that is good. But how true is related to, how 2 is related to true? You are Muduvavulu, you don't know. See, see, all non-zero values are true, all zero values are false. Already said now? Already said data types, yes. So Vaishnavi, good mom, good, keep it up. So their fundamental data types, here I'm going to say, where is it? Bool, here it is called what? Bool type, huh? No, not in the type. I said in typecasting techniques. I said in typecasting techniques. Here I'm going to say typecasting techniques. you see that into bool type, you see here I written all non-zero values are true. Our 2 is called what? Non-zero. Non-zero is what? True. Hmm? Somebody is saying, hmm? Somebody is saying, Suddapalli Manoj is saying something. So, Suddapalli Manoj is saying, 0 with carry 1. మీ నాలెడ్జ్ చూస్తుంటే నాకు మిమ్మల్ని చూస్తుంటే ఏదో అనిపిస్తా ఉంది అసలు. బై సీయింగ్ యువర్ నాలెడ్జ్ ఐఎమ్ ఫీలింగ్ సంథింగ్ డిఫరెంట్. ఇన్ ఫ్యూచర్ వాట్ యూ విల్ బికమ్ ఐ డోంట్ నో. సో this 0 with carry 1 will come in where? Binary addition, binary addition, binary multiplication, binary subtraction level you will come across. Sir, where you will teach that? I am explaining. Look at. So if you bring out your old knowledge, I will definitely attack on you, because it's my responsibility to stop such things. You see, come to that operators, enter that bitwise operator, complement operator, you see, mind blowing. Proof. There I am saying, what is that proof? 2's complement, 1's complement, 0 plus 0 0, 1 plus 0 1, 0 plus 1 1, 1 plus 1 0 with a carry 1. Here you see how many proofs I am explaining. And your knowledge, by seeing that, I'm getting little tension about it. Since I seen it, I'm giving idea. If I did not see, what you will do? What you will do? See, where I am explaining also I am showing. I'm not only saying you are wrong. Where are you wrong? Where I am correcting also I am saying. I'm not only shouting on you are wrong. I'm sorting it out also. I'm making you to understand in my class. Okay now? So student is student always, but I will sort it out. That's why carefully follow. Okay, students, come out of that and try to look into that. Done. Examples, let us start with examples. I'm talking about it. See, students, now I'm going to enter into this case. How important this is. Now, here I'm going to take out, in this case, now I'm writing, carefully follow. Now, what is that now? True or what? False. True or false is what? True. Already I said. False or true? True. False or true? Come on. True. Next is called what? Already came, huh? Okay, same thing. False or false? Come on. Okay. False or false? False. True or true? True. Is it coming 0 with carry 1 and all? No. Then, so coming to the point back, here I'm going to say, here I'm going to talk about it. Students, take care. This is called one important table. What is written, I'm showing practically here. Practically here. And further I will enter into that. Further I will enter into that. And don't think at one certain point of time at these cases, 0 and 1, 0 false, 1 true. Don't think like that in this case. It is going to be completely different. In which moment I will explain very soon. Okay. Come to the example 2. Example 2. Example 2. Here I am going to take it. Hmm? What is the symbol of? Synona perisis. Okay. What is the symbol of R? What is the symbol of R? ఒక్కొక్కసారి నాకే ప్రాబ్లం అనిపిస్తుంది. What is the symbol of R? What is the symbol of R? I said. Symbol of R, already said in my class, which is called what? Physical ORing. Symbol of R in C language, symbol of R is called like this. In Python, yesterday only I said this symbol is not there. They gave the word or symbol, both of them are same. Under that I wrote symbol is called R only. Under symbol only I wrote R. Under meaning I wrote what? Physical RI. It is already there. So are you following that? So now coming to the point of it, already it is written in that. Now I am coming to the example 2. So answer my question, take it seriously. 10 greater than 2 or 30 greater than 20, 30 greater than 40, 30 greater than 40. What is the answer? What is the first one? True. What is the second one? What is the result? First one is what? True. Will it go to second? Come on. No. That is called what? Short circuit evaluation. Here, when first one is true, it won't go to second, third, fourth, fifth, etc. Because when second, third, fourth, fifth, etc., even though it is false, total result is what? What is that concept? Short circuit evaluation in the case of R. Good. See, students, 100 greater than 200 or and 40 greater than 50 and 20 greater than 30. What is an answer, ma? What is an answer? Come on. False. So see that carefully. 100 greater than 200. Compulsory it will go to where? Second. Second also what? False. Compulsory it will go to where? Why it can't decide the total result is false? Because if the last one is true, result is becoming true or not? Tell me what is this also? False. Then it is called what? False. What is this evaluation is called? Full length evaluation. Full length evaluation. Got it or not? Yes. 200 greater than 300 or 30 greater than 20 or 40 greater than 50 or I am writing 50 greater than 100. Come on. First one is false. Compulsory go to second. Second one is true. False and true. True. And the rest of them it will not go. And simply result is considered as what? True. It is also known as what? Short circuit evaluation. Okay. Now it is simple now. Or what? 5 greater than 6. Or what? Minus 5 greater than minus 6. Also called what? True. Short circuit evaluation only. Right? Now I am writing here. Come on. Say this answer, students. What is this now? Which evaluation, ma? Which evaluation? Okay. Short circuit evaluation. Okay. Next, second one, please. Second one. Second one. Full length evaluation. I'll carry from here. Full length evaluation. Full length evaluation. I will take up full length evaluation, students. Okay. So next I will go to this place. What is this now? Short circuit evaluation. Correct now? Short circuit evaluation. Okay. Short circuit evaluation. Next one more also came. What is this now? True. What is this also called? Short circuit evaluation. Now I want to define. I want to define now. Simply I want to define. What is that? I will carry forward. What is that? Tell me, all of you. You only modify that. Say students. Short circuit evaluation of each operator. Okay. Online students, be comfortable. Here, if R operator connected with two or more relational expressions, that is called a logical expression. And if the result of the relational expression is true, result of the relational expression is true, then PVM will not evaluate subsequent relational expressions. And the result of the entire logical expression is considered as true. This process of evaluation is called what? Short circuit evaluation. Gunshot question. At a fresher level, if you appear for an interview, what do you mean by short circuit evaluation? You have to ask a question. Short circuit evaluation is available, sir. With AND operator, it is available. With OR operator, it is available. Which one you are asking? If they say AND definition, you say. If they say OR definition, you say. Short circuit evaluation, if you say your own answer, they will think that is something different. You need to get a clarity on the question. Are you getting my point? Yes. Suppose if they are asking about star operator, if they are asking about star operator, what is your answer? Tell me. What is your answer? It is for multiplication. It is for what? Repetition operator. Further, if I come to that, we will use in two more places also for star operator. We are having that much importance. Okay. So Ranjit Kumar, Sir, your voice is breaking. My dear student, this voice is becoming big problem. Is my voice is breaking, students? Other students? So all the students says no. Two students are saying yes. One is Ajar and one more is called Ranjit Kumar. So what both the students should do, you know, they need to re-log in. They need to re-log in. Ajar and then Ranjit Kumar, both of you re-log in. Re-log in. Yeah, yes, Arun Singh. Internet issue in other side. Internet issue in other side. If internet issue in other side, I can't do anything else. So, yes. So take care, students. Now I am going to move to the further. Now I move to the further. So, Ajar, you will face the same issue because you have internet issue. So now I am going to continue. So, so all the people are receiving except only two. Out of 205 students, only two people are having issue. Okay, that is not an issue from my side. It is an issue at your side. I'll continue. Next, I'm going to introduce further. What is the next operator? Not operator. I'm going to introduce. Not operator. I'm going to introduce. Here I'm going to take about. So here I'm going to issue not operator. Not operator. Here not operator I'm taking. What is not? What is not? Hey, what is not means why are you not saying? Hmm? What is not operator? Totally pin drop silence. Thinking what to answer. Uday Sai, negation. Okay. Good. What is not operator? Opposite result of existing result is called what? Not. Something you have to think and then say. True. Not true. False. Not false. Student. Here I am writing. Here I am writing. Not true. What is an answer? False. Not false. True. What is not? Opposite result of existing result is called a not. I'm saying read the notes, read the notes. You're not reading now. That is called a not. So coming to the not operator. So the not operator syntax is like that. Not simply I am writing relational expression. Relational expression. So I'm eagerly waiting for asking my favorite questions. Your students are also waiting. They are thinking, sir, this I already learned in my college. What is your specialty? Very soon I am waiting for. The functionality of what? Not operator I am showing here. So here the functionality of not operator is described in the following truth table. So need not write this entire story. Remove that, remove this, and remove this entire thing. Let me show you here. I'll write one only. What I'll write it? Not. Relational expression, original result is what? Not a relational expression. What is an answer? Not true. False. False. Not false. True. You have seen already that example. Are you following me? Right. Good. Now, don't feel tension. What sir will ask questions, whether we answer or not, that you don't feel like. So definitely you will not answer, I said now. But if you keep your concentration, you will get it. See students, now I'm going to write it. Here I'm going to write it. So here I'm saying like this. Now, coming to the point back, this is called what? The answer what you are following it. Are you following me? Now, example number 2, I'm going to talk about it. Most powerful question I'm going to give you. Ready to answer wrong? Yes or wrong? Ready? Ready? Right. What is 10? Integer కాదు int. Int అది. Okay. Now I'm writing not 10. Come on. Not a 10. Good students. Very good students. See, you are answering slowly. How you are answering? False. 10 means what? Non-zero. Non-zero means true. Not true. False. False. One student, maybe I did not give an counterpart for that. So Arun Singh, negative value of truth value is relational expression one. So when you give positive value, negative value will come. When you give negative value, positive value come. It is not a that kind of thing, my dear student. Don't think like that. Did you understand this logic there? Next, I am asking one more question. Not of what? Zero. Not of zero. True. True. Not of minus 100. Come on. False. Okay. Not of not. Not of not true. Hmm. Not of not is. Come on. True. Good. Who is that? Good. Wrong answer. Come on. Answer. Good. False. Raise hands. Wrong answer. Syntax error it is. It is a syntax error. It is a syntax error. Why? Not is called what? Keyword. Not is a keyword. Keyword is applied on keyword. That means I am using not as a value. Is it possible to use keyword as a value? No. So that's why it is syntax error. See where I will make you to commit mistake, where you to answer it. Now, say, coming to say, so coming to the answer next, last and final, not, not 10 minus 10, not 10 minus 10. Definitely true. 10 minus 10 is called a 0. Not 0 means what? True. Okay, these are all you are able to think about it so that logic will come so easily. Okay, these are all called one level of questions. Let me come to most powerful questions. Not, not Python, not Python. Don't tell Java. Answer. Come on. False. Good. Why false? Because string will means it is considered length. Length is what? 6. Not 6. 6 is true. Not 6 means what? Right. Like that you have to think. Not, not like this. Come on. True. It is called a empty string. Empty string is called length is 0. Not 0 means what? True. Able to follow? Easy or difficult? Finally. Not of, not of, str of 10 minus 10. Not of, str of 10 minus 10. Come on, come on. Huh? 10 minus 10, 0. str of 0. Huh? str of 1, 1. You are grandfather of Rosam, I think so. str of what? 0 is called what? 0 like that. What is the str of 0? Length 1. Not 1. False. Did you understand? Understand or not? 10 minus 10. str of 10. str of 0. 0 within the double quotes. Length of that 1. 1 means true. Not true means false. You got it? Like that you need to take care. Okay now? Okay. I hope you are more clear about that. Now I am going to enter into the further. Okay, last and final. Not false. Not false. False I am writing within the double quotes, ma. Not false within the double quotes means what? String. String means what? Length. Length is what? Non-zero. Non-zero means true. Not non-zero, false. Okay, like that. Generally, not false means generally student will think true, like this, like that. But it is bool value. But it is what value? String value. Okay. Are you perfect now? Did you understand? Right. Are you confident in this? Good. Nice students. Still, this is only beginning. Beginning. Now, wonderful questions I am asking. After going out of the classes now, when you are walking in the offline mode is over, when you are going on the roadside, so many people are coming to you, taking books and coming. That side, people are coming. You stop one day, one person. Ask, what are you doing in Amirpet? If it says, fortunately, doing Python, you ask some questions. Then you debate what you know, what I know, debate is required. Then you will come to know how you need to read out, how you need to read out. That type of open debate required, and you need to become perfect, and you need to come to know how your faculty is explaining. Like that, you need to decide. That is only the deciding factor how you are getting it. Always comparison is required. Of course, good comparison, sportive comparison, I am saying. Myself, I am saying now, some people will say comparison of two things not good, I said. But you compare my teaching with any other teaching of my subject, whatever subject you compare with and try to do it. So, okay, Harish, yes, you are with me. So, come to the point of it. Now I will move to the further. Now I will move to the further. Go to the special points I am going to introduce. Ready to understand special points? Good. Come on. Now I'm going to introduce the special points. Most special points. Here, start with. Here, no Monday. I am not saying. Now only I am saying about it. I think you have some work. I think so. Now I'll move to the further. Let us revise once. What I am saying. What I am saying. Just hint I am giving. Hint. Before directly asking. Hint I am giving. True or false? And first and true and false. False and true. False and false. True and true. Okay now? Okay. I gave some example also just now. Now I am taking the first part of examples. Now I am taking directly go to this place. Here I am writing 100 and what 200. Online students, you don't type it and don't test it immediately. Don't sell the answer because I am not giving any award for you. You try to answer. Here I'm not giving award for you. I'm checking how your brain starts working. Because always right thinking is important in coding. Now, here the peculiar question. Generally, what is an answer? Relational expression 1 and what? Relational expression 2. That is a general thing. But here no relational expression 1, no relational expression 2. So the answer I am giving true, the answer I am giving false, the answer I am giving 100, the answer I am giving 200. What is your answer? And E is called what do you know? Syntax error. Or F is called no answer, silence is our answer, sir. You tell, sir. Waste time. Come on, fast. Huh? F. True or false? True. Raise your hands. Good. Really good. Wrong answer. Right. Now come to the point. Now I'm going to discuss what is 100. Now I'm telling the concept behind that. What is the 100? Non-zero. Non-zero means my sir said what? True. My sir said it is called what? True. And 200 is called what? Non-zero. Non-zero is also called what? True and true. What is the answer? Which true? First true na? Second true na? First true అని చెప్పి మళ్ళా కాదు సార్ అంటున్నా. Which true? First true or second true? So that is what you have to be careful. In the short circuit evaluation, just now I said, when the relational expression is true, definitely it will go to the second one or not. When the relational expression is true, then the second true will influence the first true also, na? Then the result is called true. The second time true is going to be the result of true. మనకేం అర్థం కాలే. Again, let us start. What is this 100 is called? Non-zero. What is this is called? Answer is what? Generally, people will say first one non-zero, second one non-zero, true, true, result is true. Like that, that's why you said true. But answer is no. Answer is called 200. How? First one is what? True. When first one is true, definitely it will go to second one. No? Second one is also what? First to true influencing the total result. Second to true influencing the total result. Second to true is influencing the total result. Suppose second time is false. What is the result? False. Which false? Second false. That means this is influencing the total result. So when first one is true and second one is true, which result is the total result? Second to true is the result of the total true. Yes or no? In second to true place, what is there? 200. That is the result. That is the result. So answer is what? 200. You understood? Have you heard about these questions in your college? Huh? Say frankly. Online students, first of all, I have to find out from. Is it understandable, guys? First of all, is it understandable? All of you, please respond. Right. Have you heard about these questions in your college? Come on. You went to college or not first? You went, right. So, Seema did not understand. She's a girl. Okay. No such questions heard. Okay. So, Arun Singh, I'm going to discuss, my dear student. Special points. First, I am discussing about what now, and I am discussing. Special points about R also I am discussing. Think about today. Think about today class. Tomorrow class, why are you bothering? I am there now. I am discussing first and R. I am discussing about what? I am not leaving normally. I am the most, first of all, of course, I don't want to boost it. I will explain you subject in different way. And basically, as a student, I am an intelligent in my studies. I will teach intelligent subject only to you. I never teach normal subject. I will teach intelligent subject only. What I learned it, what my intelligence, I'll try to inject in your brain. That's my nature. I want to tell you like that. So, right. Oh, Ashwit, I think our faculty did not even heard about this concept. Okay, my dear students, don't feel. I want to make you proud of your subject. That's why. Okay, Arun Singh, I will tell you. Okay, seems to be very interesting. Okay, see, and operator, or operator, and or, and I am going to say, మళ్ళా దాన్ని క్లబ్ చేస్తాను ఇక్కడ. I will mix with what? Not. Mix with not. Mind blowing. If you ask these questions to even SAR also, our SAR will give you, please don't ask, I'll give you internal marks. You have to make the faculty to fear. When you go to college, they have to fear a lot. Like that, you have to create an environment, not normal, subject you have to fear. Correct? Right. So, come on. Hmm? Okay. Very dangerous questions, huh? No, it's a very powerful questions. Okay, students, answer my question. Did you understand the logic? Once again, Seema did not understand. 100 and 200. Seema, I'm explaining for you. 100 and next is what? 200. What is the first one? Non-zero. Non-zero means what? True. 200, non-zero. Non-zero also true. In our short circuit evaluation, when first one is true in the case of and, definitely it will go to where? Second true. Because it is a full length evaluation. When it goes to, why it is going to second one? First you tell me. Because when first one is true, and operator cannot take the decision. Decision will be taken based on second one. Second one is also what here? True. So, second result will influence the total result. What is the total result will come? True. Which is true? Second true. In second true place, what is there? That is an answer. Did you understand that? Very good. Seema, did you understand, ma? Seema, did you understand? Respond immediately. Yes, she understood. Now I'm going to enter into the further. Okay. Look at 120, 120 and 1 and minus 123. Answer. Boys, answer. Minus. Are you sure? How? Minus 120 is what? Non-zero. Non-zero means what? True. Minus 123 also. Non-zero. Non-zero also what? Which true is influencing the total true? Second. In second true place, what is the value? Minus 123. What is the answer now? Yes. Did you understand? Good. Shall I move to the further? Okay. 0 and 120. 0 and 120. 0 na false. 0 na 120. 0. Why? Come on. 0 means what? False. When first one is false, will it go to second? According to which concept? Short circuit. Short circuit. So it will not go there. And what is the result now? False. In place of false, what is there? That is the result. That is the result. Are you okay? Right. Can I ask one more question? Ready to answer? Okay. 120 and 234 and 450. Answer. Come on. Excellent. First one, true. Next one, true and true. True. Next one, 450. True. Which true will come? Come on. Yes. So, Sucharita. Okay. Sucharita, 450. My kid told. Okay. Sucharita, your kid is also attending. Huh? Tomorrow you pay the fees, ma. Sucharita, good. Sucharita is my Java student. She said 14 years back. And her kid is learning now Python itself. Good, ma. Please make him to learn. So, Sucharita, okay. Let us start. Answer. Answer. Okay, okay. Answer. What is an answer? So, coming to this now. 450. Easy or difficult? Easy. 120 and 10 minus 10 and 40. Come on. 0. Sure. Sure, huh? Good. First one. True. It will go to. Second one is false. False means what? 0. That only will be the result. Okay now. So that is called what? 0. Okay. Now yours seems to be good. Now I'll ask very complicated question. Shall I ask? Okay. Students, now I'm going to ask a beautiful question. Ready? True, true, and 300. 300. Good. Super. Now I'm asking false and false and 300. Which false? First false. Super. Okay. Nice. So last and final. Python, Python and Java and data science. Come on. Super. How you are getting this knowledge? Simply, right? First one is called what? Non-zero, true, non-zero, true, non-zero, true. What is the answer? Data science. Is having greater than or equal to, less than or equal to, A greater than B and B greater than C. Old story. By seeing these answers, you see your notes thing. Is it easy in front of you or difficult for you? Easy or difficult? Just like looking like an LKG notes. But this is going to be in internship. When you go to bigger companies, they will ask this type of questions. They will ask this type of questions. This is called your MNC level questions. This you should be perfect. Perfect, huh? Now perfect, huh? Yes. So, hmm, Arun Singh, good. Tricky and interesting, sir. Thanks. Good. So most welcome. This type of thing, so many I will tell you. So many. Because I want to win your heart daily. That is my daily task. So when can I win your heart? When I teach a beautiful subject, I can win your heart or not. Beginning, whatever I said, I am following up. Following up, not following up. Yes, strictly I am following that. So just tell to your friends what you are observing in my class. Tell to your friends what you are saying. Ajar, already you won our hearts. Okay. So daily, one day, no, daily. Okay. Like, come on, students. Now I am entering into the further R. Now easily will answer R. Please go to once. I'll go to R now. Seema. Okay, mom. Thank you. So I'll move to the further. Move to the further. Now I'm entering into this. Now I'm entering into this R operator. Here I'm going to take it. Where is R? Okay. This is called R. True or what? Come on. True. False or true? False or false? Which false? Second false. Second false. Why? When first one is false, definitely it will go to second false. Second is also true, for example. True is the result. Now second is also what? Which one is influencing the total? Second false is influencing the total false. Okay now? Good. Go there now. See, answer my question. 100 or 200. Come on. Super. Why 100? 100 is what? Come on. 2. True. What is 200? True. But first true is enough to say R is true. So that is the answer called what? 100. Easy or difficult? 0 or 200. Come on. 200. 0, 0 and 0 or 20 or 0 or 0. Answer. Excellent. Excellent. 0. Compulsory it will go to second. Second one is what? True. True means it won't go to the next one. What is an answer? 20. Easier? Very good. False, false or true or 20. Come on. Excellent. Okay, students. Now I am going to say Python, Python or Java or like that. Answer. Python. Good. 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 Why? Non-zero. Non-zero means what? True. Last and final. Empty or Python, Python or empty. Python. Excellent. Simply excellent. Okay now? Easy not difficult? Easy. Okay, students. Now you got full length answer now. Beginning, here, done. Now I am coming to most powerful concept, most powerful mechanism. Another one, combination of and or. Beginning, you will get difficulty. When I explain the simple technique for you, subject if I explain, you will become perfect again. See that you have to go for like this. See students, now I'll move to the further. And or. And is what I said, true and true is true. False and that you know everything now. Just to take our blind rule, our college blind rule. And is what rule? Product. R is what? Sum. Addition rule. Star plus. Who is having more priority? Star. So out of and or, which one will be given preference? And. Later, what will be given? R. Go. Start. Here I am writing 10 and 20 or 30. I will tell you first, you evaluate. When this is given, first thing, PVM will evaluate unrelated activity because and will have more priority. And will have more priority. So, what is the result here? 20. 20 or what now? 30. What is the result? 20. What is the answer now? 20. Did you understand that? Yes. Clear or not clear? Okay. 20 or 30 and 40. First, what is there? And is there or is there? Which one evaluate first? What is the result here? 40. 40. 20 or 40? 20 is an answer. Are you able to get it? 20. 30 and 40. What is an answer? 40. And means first you need to evaluate. 20 or 40. What is an answer? 20. That is an answer. Are you okay? Okay. 10 and 20 or 30 and 40 or 50. Srikanth. Srikanth, you write imposition, my dear student. He is saying T. T stands for true, he is saying. You must write imposition. Nobody said that. So now I will evaluate. Of course, you know how to do it, but your brain is not supporting. Rough work, not able to do because your space is very less. Space is very less. Brain doesn't have much capacity. Buffer capacity is not there. But a talent to do the calculation in the brain. You're not taking risk of doing that. If you started doing, you'll get it. First to do that. What is an answer? Come on, 20. What is this answer? Huh? Okay, you connect that. Or say what? Or what is this? 50. So say 20 or 40 or 50. What is an answer? 20. 20 or 50? 20. 20 is an answer. 20 is an answer. Okay now? Easy or difficult now? Okay. So now I am writing easy, easy or complex, complex and mode. Very complex, very complex, very complex or Python, Python and Java. Answer. Huh? Easier. Hey, subject is easier, answer is easier. Answer is easier. Okay. See that students here. What is this now? Complex and what? Very complex. What is an answer? Very complex. Okay. Easy or you write it. Very complex. And here also what is there? Or what is coming? Java. So easy, very complex. Easy. Easy or Java. Easy is an answer. Okay. Done. So did you expect this type of questions will come to you? So is it every day special or not? Good. Now I am writing. Now I am writing. This is one thing. Combination of and all. So you are getting it. Like that, if they ask any type of question like this, you will easily answer it. And the technique behind that, if you are regularly in touch with the subject, if you start working on it, you will be number one. Coding, you will do like anything. So coming to the point back, now I am saying last and final. Of course, combination of not I am using it. Not. Take care. Now I am writing not. Answer. Okay. False, huh? Sure. Okay. Even if you look at like that, answer will not change. Okay. See. Start. What is this now? What is this now? Start discussing. That's why you should not excite it. First, what happens? Go to this place. What is an answer is coming? Not for 2 minutes, you keep it aside. 2 minutes, you keep it aside. First, you evaluate. What is an answer? Very complex. Connect, not. What is this now? Easy. Easy, right or not? Easy. Or next what? Or this is called what here? Java. Okay, Java. Okay. Next after that, what is happening? This case you take it. What is this now? Not easy. What is easy? First of all, string. String means not zero, not zero length, non-zero length. Non-zero length means what? True. True means what is coming? Not true. False. False are what? Very complex. False are what? Very complex. Or what here? Java. What is an answer? False are very complex. What is an answer? Very complex. Very complex are what here? Java. What is an answer now? Very complex is an answer. That is subject. Understood? Yes. Did you understand why very complex? Yes. So, by telling all these things, how much time I am spending on this? Without telling, if I say just running like anything, Python will be over in 1 month. You will feel Python is over and you will attend the interview. Unfortunately, person like me sitting in front of me, HD plus plus cinema, you will say, Blu-ray cinema, you will say, HD plus more than is Blu-ray. Blu-ray cinema, you will show. Everything opening, asking question in the laptop. The moment when I open laptop, heart beating like anything. What questions you will ask, opening laptop, you will feel. Really, I do like that only. So direct attack. Offer letter, no offer letter, direct finishing, 1 or 0, that's all. Why suspense? No suspense. On spot, we have to decide. Right? Easy or difficult? Easy. So, hmm, Harish, like spoon feeding. Apurva, very complex, but got it. Right, answer. Any doubt here? No. Now I'm writing. Now I'm going to say. Last and final, I'm going to say. See, students, here I'm writing. Here I'm writing 100 and 200 or Python, Python, or here not Python or not Java and not. చాలా simple. I asked a very simple question. Not a, not a. Come on, look at. So now, see students here. And operator I will evaluate. And operator. 100 and 200. What is an answer? 200. Write as it is. Or not Python. False. Correct or not? Or not Java and what? Not. What is an answer? Not Java means what? False. False means what is substituted? False only. Because not false means it won't go to not. Short circuit. Okay. 200 or false. Here. 200 or false. What is an answer? 200. 200 or false? 200. 200. So here, what is an answer now? 200. 200 is an answer. So, see students, 200 is an answer. Able to get it? Easy or difficult? Easy. Last. Now see. So good and better or best or poor and amazing. And I will write, and I'll write not, not. Come on. False or true now? Huh? False, huh? False. Right. Here, by looking, need not to do everything. Here, and or everything. First of all, non-zero things only. Non-zero will come. Non-zero, not of non-zero. Non-zero means true. Not of non-zero. False. Easy. Suppose if I say and, and, if I do like this, if I do like this, if I do like that, you see, false. What is the answer now? This answer is what? False now. False and what? False of string. False only. This is false now. False. False means Boolean false. This is string false. False, true. This is a string length non-zero. What is an answer? Right. Like that. So are you clear about that? Like this. See, I applied everything on that and you have done it. I hope you, I think you got clarity in my explanation today. So here, this is not also applied and this also applied. So, hmm, Divyans, so asking, explain again. Okay, I'll explain again. Hold on. So, this is crazy, sir. Okay. Python classes are crazy only. Okay. Last example I will explain. Look at this. This you understood, huh? Divyans, right? This example. Up to here it is what? False. This also going to give me what? False. Which false? This is Boolean false. And what here? False. False. What is this is called false only. False. And this is called what? And what? Non-zero. Non-zero means string data. That to greater than length 0. Length is greater than 0. What is this answer is going to come? True. False and true answer is what? False. In place of false, what is there? False is there. That's why false came. Apurva. Okay, ma'am. Divyans, did you understand? Aryan, you are asking the same question. This is the third time you are asking, correct? You asked about 6 o'clock 15 minutes. You asked about 7 o'clock 10 minutes. Now you are asking about 19 minutes 33 minutes. Am I correct, Aryan? Already I have seen your doubt. 2 times you asked me. I neglected your doubt because it is not necessary at this time. I remembered you already asked 3 times. Am I correct? This is the third time you are asking, correct? Am I correct? Yes. So he asked the same question, what is evaluate 3 times? I neglected because I am going to explain further. I don't want to waste my time on irregular activities. While I am going on high-tech city bus, when Amirpet bus is coming, I will not come down to Amirpet again. So in journey, I have to have smooth journey first of all. In journey of it, no disturbances. I'll explain Aryan. Don't get tension by yourself. I'll explain to you. Okay now? Fine. So coming to that, Vamsi is asking this question and try to answer it. Vamsi is asking this question, try to answer it. Answer. Very simple. Answer. Answer. Yeah, correct, boys. False. Correct. False. What is the first one? True. Second one. False. What is the answer? True. Two. And what? False. And what? Three. What is an answer? False. And three. What is an answer? False. Yes. False. Vamsi. Shinona Perisis. Is your name is as it is like that? Are you from Telangana state? Are you following this? False. Vamsi. Is it your real name? Is your real name? Vamsi. Is it understandable? Is it understandable, Vamsi? You asked this question. Is it clear, Vamsi? Vamsi. He went outside. Jump. Vamsi Krishna is there. Because internet now, lot of time is there to visit. Okay. Anyhow, students, this is about my class. What operators? Logical operator. Logical operators easy or difficult? Easy. And easy in the sense for normal students. Normal students will learn 10 greater than 20, 2 greater than 3, like they will enjoy. But I don't ask the question. I'll ask these questions. Will they answer? Will they answer? Huh? You have to always learn one step ahead you have to be compared to everybody. Like everybody, you should be ahead. Correct? Huh? Yes. So, VSS Ramakrishna. Not easy or complex. Where is that not easy, not complex? Very simple, ma. What is that? Ramakrishna, you see? Hmm? Ramesh? Huh? They can't touch it, sir. Okay. They can't touch it. Okay. Ramakrishna, VSS Ramakrishna. See, my dear student, not easy. Not easy means what? Easy means what? Non-zero. Non-zero means not zero means what? False. False. Not true, kada? False. False or what? False. First of all, it is coming false. What is this now? Complex and very complex is connected with which operator? And which one will come? Very complex. Here and Java is also there. What is that now? Java. What is the operator I am applying? R. False, very complex. What is the answer? Very complex because it is a true. Or what again? Java. First one is non-zero. Second one is also non-zero. First one is true. Second one is true. Which is true? Very complex is an answer. Very complex is an answer. So Ramakrishna, are you following? VSS Ramakrishna. Is it clear? Fine. Hmm? Ashwit, sorry, you said today you will tell something about today's morning incident. You need all things except subject. So, my dear student, don't worry about it. Subject is clear or not, that is required here. So, this also I will keep it. So, Arun Singh, sir, I did not find this level of clarity in other outside materials. Feeling blessed to be here. Okay. Arun Singh, good. Right. Vamsi, sir, not having higher priority than and or. No. So, and will have what? Higher priority. So, my dear student, I want to explain always beautiful subject for you because that's why I am here from last 26 years onwards. If I teach normal subject like this, nowhere else. You have to teach ultimate subject. If I want to become from retirement, I should not teach anything. But when we are sitting in the chair, we have to teach perfectly to the students. We should not be like other faculties. We have to be different. Any subject we handle it, na, we have to teach perfectly. Students should not face difficulty. Like that, we have to explain. Correct? So, Harish, sir, are you create any app by your own? So many things, so many. Because when I'm in the industry, from Java side, I was having lot of apps and lot of big projects also. And about my success rate, if I tell about my industry, and of course I don't want to tell, boosting is not good. So I always be very simple. I'm very simple living. I'm so, but suppose for example, even though of course you don't feel it, I'll come in small scooty on my wife missus scooty. I will come small scooty because I can come in gullies also. If I come in my car, it is only for show put up only because for class it is not suitable. So even though we have a good car, I never come here. Why time waste now? Time waste. We have to come in simple scooter. Scooty, that too. Her scooty, I will bring it. Easy to move, even gullies we can go. Because I'm saying on time I will come, I say. How can I come on time? Time is important. So simple living is important. High thinking is important. You enjoy life, you enjoy. But subject important. No? One subject is there. Career is good. Great earnings will be there. Automatically life will increase or not. That you plan for it. How can you improve your life? With subject. You improve the subject. Will you do business? Sir? Will you participate in elections? Sir? Elections means how danger. Business means somewhere else or the other you will have something fishy or not. So will you do that? You cannot do. I cannot do. Everything clarity I want. Sincerity we want. So education is only the one. If you write wrong, syntax error will come. If you say wrong, program will not execute. If you say everything perfect, output will come. Like that. Correct or not, student? That's why read well. This is my advice for you. Okay, students, read well. Tomorrow class, I'm going to enter. Please look into the what is the next chapter. I'm going to tomorrow see every Saturday. Very danger concept is coming. What is coming? You see operators and expressions. What is coming? Actually, Saturday it is coming. Incidental, it is coming on Saturday. And Saturday generally will go to underground. Don't go. I'll go for this. 11 o'clock, new batch is started. Tell to the friends. What you are observing in my class? Tell to the friends. No need to do any extra. Don't tell my sir like that. No. Python, here, he will teach like that. You tell just like. You are helping to others to get more subject. Okay. Any of students? So, Sanjeev, sorry, you forget to say about 18 years experience. Morning, one Ashit, some student also is also. Nothing. Ajar is also. Okay. Everybody is very interested. Girls also very much interested. They are very much interested about other things, not subject things. Okay. Morning, one faculty came and I found out immediately by seeing, we can find student and experienced person, we can easily find out. I like them to sit in my class because I want to give them some realization. So he sat, and of course, good candidate, good realization is also good. And he is teaching from almost 18 years Java. This is an 18th year. He is teaching Java. While I'm discussing, I'll talk about all round. I will talk or not. C language, C++, Java. I'll wash out the brain of first 3, 4, 5 days. So when I'm explaining, he came and all of a sudden came system.out.println came in Java. It is used to print the data like print statement. Now I said, nobody knows what is system.out.println. Nobody knows directly. I said, I said directly. So he said like this. He raised it. He said, I know. He said, okay. I said, beginning, he raised his hand. I said, you also don't know. He said directly. He got angry. Angry in the sense he did not express. He said, okay. I said, perfect answer I want. I said, perfect answer. Perfect means what? Saying off, not saying off. 50 percent marks are given. 50% marks no. Not academic exams. When you say 100 by 100 or 0 by 100. System is what? Class. He said class. Good. I said. Out is what? Object. Out is object. He said object. Correct. I said very good. I said first good, next very good. Because increasing, I would appreciate. Next, I said object na. Every object will have what? Class. Every object will have class. I asked what is the class of object obj. System dot out dot println. Out is an object. Object of which class? He said, out is an object which will have some class or not. What is that class? I asked her. He said what? System, he said. I said blunder. Blunder, I said. No, it is correct, he's saying, in front of everybody. I like that open challenges. I went to Java. Java software I opened. He's fearing a lot. So I went to Java. Directly I went to Java. I say, I said, shall I open Java documentation? Because my total life of Java is I like Java very much. Of course, I like Python also very much, but my core field is Java only. So anyhow, I will show you to you people also here coming to this place. Here I said Java P, Java P, Java dot lang dot system. Of course, one error will come, but I will set the path. Set path is equal to go to the place C colon program files Java Java 17 bin. I'll go to this place, carry that, set path is equal to semicolon dot semicolon, same Java dot say documentation. I opened it, opened the documentation. Java documentation opened. See, out is an object of what class? What is the class? What is this now? Out is an object of which class? But he said an object of which class? System. I said immediately. He looked at to every student. He said, "Yes, I am wrong." He said to everybody. He said, "He's a sportive student." He said, "I am wrong. I am showing everything." Now after that, he came to me and he said, "Sir, salute to you." He said, It doesn't mean that." He said, "Sir, I'm 18 years onwards. I'm dictating the notes. Out is an object of system class like that. Today I realized, sir," he said. After how many years? In 18 years, 18 batches gone now. So those 18 people into class, some number of people are there now. They disturbed or not? Then what is that problem? That's why when you are sitting in the chair, you should be confident in subject. That is what happened. So today he said, "Sir, one while going, he said one thing. Sir, don't feel, sir. I raised my hand and I said, I know like that. Nothing will happen. I'm daily asking like that questions." So challenging is important in class. Open debate is important. Then only will come up or not. That's why. Okay, students. Huh? Sunny Swami. Even we don't tell, I tell everyone, join KVR class. Okay, my dear students, Sunny Swami. Thank you, ma. So here, this is documentation. Documentation of Java. So anyhow, documentation of Python. We should learn total documentation. When you learn total documentation, you can talk to any professional. Anybody you can speak. That's why reading is a good habit for you. Okay now? Will you read daily? Writing notes? Okay, good. Take care, students. Online students. Now I'll stop it. Tomorrow, what is our class? What is our class? Yes. Bitwise operators, don't miss it. Thank you. All the best. Online students, any doubts you have? Online students, am I audible to you? Online students, am I audible to you, first of all? Okay. Any doubts you have? Do you have any doubts? You raise your hands. Any more doubts you have? You can raise your hands. I'll clarify. No doubts, huh? So, Alekia, sir, which is better of learning SQL or HTML? Seema, HTML is different from HTML is different. HTML is different and SQL is different. HTML, CSS is for building the front-end GUIs, and SQL is for database queries purpose you will use. Both of them you have to learn. So, Ajar, what is the difference between opening app directly or running administrator? Nothing, ma'am. Nothing. Because opening the app is not scrolling up. That's why I'm opening in administrator mode. So it is for easy for scrolling up. That's why I'm opening like that. Right. Siddiqui Mohammed. Yes, correct. Siddiqui Mohammed, you are getting, I'm not getting answer. Okay. So I'll take your program. I'll show you, my dear student. Siddiqui, you be in the online. I'll show you. Go to PyCharm once and I'll show you the code. Whatever you have written, I copied that and I will post it. So I'm taking one small thing here, take something and I'm posting that. So y.py, there I'm trying to post it. Enter the value and try to run this now. See students, run this now. Here I'm entering 27. I'm getting 3. Perfect answer. You have written good code. 343. Okay. 343. What is the 343 cube, my dear student? 343. Code is how much? So almost it is going to be 6.999. So it is saying correct. This is the one you need to take. If you want to get it, if you want to get it that part, 1 minute you can wait. So here you can say round off, you can say round off. You can say round off. So you just try to run 343. You got it 7. Siddiqui Mohammed, are you getting, my dear student? 7. Okay now? Clear up? Yes, more Uday. 64. 64. 4. Okay, okay, my dear student. Thank you. So, okay, students, take care and all the best. Don't miss tomorrow class. Very, very important.